Hi guys, I'm Ben, you're watching a video by Urchin Greaser, and I know, not a Greaser t-shirt, it's Coco Father Christmas, the holidays are coming. I thought, it's getting Christmas, why not? Anyway, getting to the point of this video. Today I'm going to be doing like a hair tutorial of how to do a slide part Pompadour, but I'm going to be using a water-based product called Layrite Super Hold. With Layrite or any other water-based hair products, it's pretty ideal like for people who are starting to like train their hair like for a pompadour. I really can't speak out what kind of pompadour you want because I don't know your hair type, but I always do like slide parts where I've got curly hair and what have you. But yeah, let's get right to it. Sorry if I sound a bit funny because I just woke up. And it's pretty much Christmas Eve. Alright, all you got to do is like slick the hair back. People do tend to have their own technique, i.e. like using a hairdryer to like, adjust the height. But with water base, I wouldn't recommend that because drop my hair comb. Because when it comes to like that, it's quite painful because water-based products they tend to dry like real quick. Right. Alright, I'm going to put a load in, up for the sides. Also, it's quite ideal to use a water base when it comes to having a fresh haircut as well, so that way you've got the chance like to train like what kind of like pompadour you're kind of like going for. Just very well with the water based product, it has like a different effect like for like oil based like products. Like most water based kind of gives it more like of a matte finish. It has more like a medium shine. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really like matte finish. Right. Okay. Okay, now to use a comb. Like slick it all back. But try kind of do like how Elvis done it. As you know, with Elvis, he had that like slicked up. So you want to do that. That's form of DA, which my hair isn't like thick enough for it. I'm kind of like using it as an example. Alright, all you gotta do is like you gotta find like your side part. It's always wise like using like the fine teeth. I don't know if you can't. I don't know if you can see it. If you can't, I'm sorry. I'm not sure if you can see it, but the point of it is you got to find the side part like for the side part pompadour. Okay, once you've found it, you got to do is like comb it back, but slick it like but make sure like the side part is showing. Otherwise, it's not really much of a side part pompadour. Alright. Okay. A little note, if your hair is dry, you could use mousse, like to make it like wet and soppy. Alright, this is like the really hard part. Try to get as much of the bangs like forward. The reason is in that way you can like start focusing on this bit, which is what I kind of do. I find it easier that way. Right, we want to comb that back. Also a little bunged up as well. Alright, with this part you want to give it like a swirl, like motion, like for a side part Pompadour. Also, because that's how Elvis like had it as well. Right, now for the swirl. Bit of a twat. You use the fine teeth. Because the thing is, if you use like the fine teeth, you won't like see like the scalps or anything. And I'm not gonna lie, guys, when I do a side part Pompadour, I hate it when the scalps like show. No, let's start that again. In all honesty though, guys, when it comes to doing like a side part Pompadour like Elvis, it's not the kind of hairstyle to do if you're in a complete rush. Especially with either a water-based product. So it's all about patience. Now finish off by doing it like this. Okay, if you want to like push like the bangs forward, use the fine teeth. So in that way you can pull it forward. So in that way it looks more like an Elvis side part Pompadour. Alright, lovely, jubbly. I must say, it's not been like much of a bitch today. Alright, time to comb the sideburns. Where I've had a haircut, the sideburns don't really like show as much. So, I'm sorry. Alright. Like I just said, it looks like my hair ain't been much of a bitch today. Of course, you all get like bad hair days, good hair days and whatnot. So it's been pretty much like a good man. So I can't give it about like 8 out of 10, I suppose. And yeah, there's not really much to say, really, is there? Yeah, give it a go, and like I just said, I really can't speak out for you guys what particular like hair you got, like i.e. like fine hair or wavy or curly hair. So experiment it, okay, guys. So yeah, that's the end of the video, guys, and you'll have a very good Christmas and a happy New Year, and thank you for watching the video, and you'll take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.